So this is the skeleton. Hello, by the way. Hope you're well. Don't forget to subscribe, and then I can keep you up to date with everything that I'm doing. Well, hopefully every day. It's on and off with me. It just depends how busy I am. But look, this is a skeleton that I bought yesterday from Wilkinson's. No, I bought it, yeah, yesterday from Wilkinson's. So I've already sprayed her, as I'm calling her, if you can see. She's all silver, so I've sprayed her metallic. Now, you saw her yesterday and what colour she was, and I'm actually going to cover her in glitter, but I'm going to have to do that when I get back from work. I've got to set off for work in a minute, so I just wanted to do this quick vlog for you to show you something that I made yesterday, which I absolutely love. So you see these, oh my gosh, how realistic do they look? Their eyes on a ring, and they're on a double ring, so I'm going to be wearing that on Halloween night. However, I saw those and I thought, oh my god, they'll be excellent on glasses. So we taken the back off the rings. Gary's sort of sanded the back down of them so they're a flat surface, and I've gone and got glasses from Asda for 50p each. Now, I'm a bit particular about my wine glasses and things, and I normally always buy crystal. Now, I say it always, bought them many, many years ago, and I use them all the time. Sorry, that's the dogs. But look at these. So, I've got 50p champagne glasses, and I've put one eye on. And I've got 50p wine glasses and put an eye on. I love them! And then I got 50p tumblers and put an eye on. So this, in all, has cost me, with the ring, with the glasses, so I've got 8 tumblers, 8 wine glasses, and 8 champagne flutes, because I always have 8 sat round my table. However, it's just going to be the kids, so they're just going to be using this, but mums and dads can use champagne and wine glasses when they're just sat about on Halloween. These have only cost me 75p each, so covering all of that, it's only cost me £18. I think those are absolutely fab. I'm well in love with them. I'm well chuffed. Now, unfortunately, hot glue didn't work, because they just came off, so I've used sort of industry strength, because I couldn't even use things like super glue or Gorilla Glue, just wouldn't work. So that's from the company that Gary works along with, and that's called Innova. So you'd have to go and Google those, and I think it's only trade. However, they seem to be, oh my gosh, you know, well and truly on, but it takes 24 hours for them to dry as well. What are you coming in for, Dolly? They're all muffin. So those are the eyes, and I've stuck them on the glasses. Now, these kind of glasses in places like TK Maxx, which is amazing, Home Sense, my best shop in the world. I absolutely love it. You're looking probably to get something like that about $2.99 each. So you can imagine just to get 8 tumblers is going to be an absolute small fortune. So that's why I decided. And of course, these will only come out at Halloween. So when Halloween's over, they'll either go up in the loft or out in the garage, and then they'll come out next year. So that's why I was trying to keep it to a minimum and keep it as cheap as possible. The glasses that I use all year. Obviously, I'll always get a Barjan. However, the glasses that I use all the time, I will spend a little bit more on. See you later. I'm back on screen today. It is the 7th of October. Happy Harvest as well. We've just been to Harvest Festival for Frankie Jack with his school. Look at all the dogs. Look, Zippy, get down. Barking. As usual. The neighbours don't like it, aren't they? Anyway, I will love you and leave you. I'm on air at 5 o'clock this afternoon, 7th of October, 2018. It's Ideal World. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Keep up to date. If you don't subscribe, you won't see the next vlog that's coming up. See you later.